Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the Acer laptop touchpad is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So first of all, make sure that the physical switch on the keyboard is not disconnected. If times it is one of the function keys and it can be enabled or disabled by pressing it along with the FN key. The next one is to search for touchpad in the search bar and then go to touchpad settings. Make sure that the touchpad switch, this switch is on. The next solution is to update the touchpad drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open the device manager. Expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. And the last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.